everybody, and welcome to the next video in our Moodle 3.4 tutorial series. In this video, we're going to discuss how you can create a chat so that way you can have a discussion with your students. To start, navigate up to the upper right-hand corner, click on the gear, and turn your editing button on. Scroll down and find the section where you want to put the chat. I'm going to put mine in the Getting to Know You section and click Add an Activity or Resource. Under Activities, choose Chat and press Add. Moodle asks you to name the chat room, so since this is in my Getting to Know You section, let's say that we're going to host a chat for all of the students to have a little bit of an icebreaker. So let's call this Icebreaker Chat. Now you can put a description if you like. This is not a mandatory thing, it's just something you can choose to do if you want to describe your chat. I like to do this because I like to give the date and the time and what we're really going to talk about. So I'm just put a very simple description there. I'm going to leave the description off of the course page, so I'm not going to check this off. And here under chat sessions, you could go ahead and change your preferences depending on the specifics of the chat. So in my description here, I asked them to join us on Thursday. I should probably put the date in here, so I'm going to put Thursday, May 10th. And here in next chat time, I would choose that date for when it's going to happen. So May 10th, and I can set the time as 9 a.m. The next option here is to choose whether or not you want to repeat or publish session times. So you have a few choices here. You can choose to not publish any chat times at all. No repeats, just publish this specific time. So if you're planning on having a chat every single week, you can choose to put that option of at the same time every week. And when the student clicks on this chat, they'll see that there's another chat happening the next week. And you could do the same thing at the same time every day. Now, with this being said, that doesn't mean that if you do choose a chat to happen every day or every week, Moodle is not going to automatically create that chat for you. If you're going to have a chat every week, you will still have to go into each section and create that chat so there's a space for it to happen. This is only letting the students know when the next chat is going to happen, if there actually is one. So I'm going to leave mine as don't publish any chat times, and you can also choose whether or not you want to save the past sessions. I like to save mine for 90 days, that way in case you want to go in and check out what happened, but you can never delete messages if you don't want to. You can also save them for up to a year, but I'm just going to do 90 days, and you can give the option of having people view past sessions. I like to say yes because maybe if you want to have an assignment due to something you've spoken about in a past chat, it might be nice to go back to read what was talked about. There are a few other options here that you can look through and choose whether or not you want to use it for this particular chat. But this is all I'm going to do for this, and press save and return to course. So now we have our icebreaker chat that's happening here, and if I go ahead and click on it, it gives us the time of when it's going to happen. That's what I put in my description, and it's letting us know what the point of it is. If I chose to publish the session time, it would say when that session time was going to happen. So if I didn't put the date and time in my description, setting it to publish the time would be definitely helpful for the students, so that way they know exactly what they're doing. And when you're ready, you just click to enter the chat now, and you'll have a page that pops up, and the students will show up on the right hand side when they log on, and you could just chat like you normally would chat. I find that chat is a feature that is probably not used as often as it could be. It is very useful. It allows you to have a synchronous discussion with your students, and it allows you to bring another element to your course that is very interactive and allows them to get to know each other better and share ideas in a different way.